This is how a high-value medical component is machined using a continuous multi-position workflow. Today we are machining an orthopedic bone plate. We'll demonstrate not only how this part is manufactured, but also an efficient production method for a 4+1 axis machine using a 3-position fixture. Bone plates are critical implants used in fracture fixation. They stabilize the bone while it heals and may remain inside the body for long periods of time. Because of this, dimensional accuracy, surface quality, and repeatability are extremely important. Microdynamics machines are designed to deliver the stability and precision required for applications like this. In this setup, each position corresponds to a different machining stage. After the initial 2 buffer cycles, the process becomes continuous, and every cycle produces one finished part. This means all 3 machining stages are active simultaneously, minimizing machine downtime and reducing the amount of operator intervention required per finished part. Instead of running one part through separate standalone setups, the operator is simply progressing each workpiece through the next stage of the process every cycle. The process begins with raw titanium material placed into position 1 of the precision fixture. The fixture uses vices to hold the workpiece securely during machining. These vices are designed for quick operation, so that the operator can easily unclamp and clamp parts as they are moved between fixture positions. At the end of each cycle, the operator shifts the workpieces forward through the fixture positions, removes the finished component from position 3, and loads a new blank into position 1. Once the material is secured, the machining process begins. In position 1, the machine performs cutting the dovetail. It's increasing the surface for the vices, which is increasing the clamping force. In position 2, the machine is performing most of the machining processes. During roughing, larger amounts of material are removed to form the basic shape of the bone plate. Using the machine's 4th axis, the part can be indexed to different orientations. This allows multiple features to be machined without removing the workpiece from the fixture. Complex contours, mounting surfaces, and screw holes can all be machined with high positional accuracy. Maintaining the same fixturing reference throughout the process helps reduce cumulative positioning errors and improves overall consistency. In position 3, the final finishing operations are performed. During this step, we are removing the material that couldn't be machined in setup 2 to finish our part. The process quickly reaches a steady production rhythm where each cycle produces one finished part. This workflow improves efficiency while maintaining a consistent part quality. Applications like orthopedic implants require high precision, repeatability, and stable machining performance. Microdynamics machines are built to deliver the reliability required for demanding manufacturing environments like medical component production.